Hey everyone, welcome to the HowToHub channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bind your phone number on the RedNote app, so let's get started. Once you log into the app, tap on the Me icon to go to your profile. Then, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on the gear icon labeled Settings. In the Settings menu, select the first option, Account Security. At the top of the screen, you'll see an option for mobile. Tap on it. If you recently changed your phone number, you might not be able to change it again for 1 month. The app enforces this rule to avoid frequent changes. However, once you're eligible, you can proceed with the following steps. Here, you can enter your phone number. Keep in mind, if you're in the US, you'll need to use the country code +1. For my case, my country code is +92. But you should update it based on your location. After entering your phone number, tap to send a verification code to your phone. Once you receive the code, enter it and tap Submit. This will bind your phone number to your account, which allows you to post content, change your profile picture, and access more features. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to HowToHub for more tips and tricks for the RedNote app. We'll see you in the next video.